Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Perlin again for you with another do it yourself video, and today I'm bringing you a herbal hair oil mixed, and I'm going to show you how to use it. This is a great product where they already mixed 18 ingredients that are super good for your hair. It will take off your hair. Your hair will feel so much healthier when you make that oil. Basically, based on the instruction on the packet, you just um, put the contents of one bag in your container, and then you put 8 ounces of your oil on top. You shake it well, and you keep it for 48 hours before using it. So let's go into the video. Today I'm going to use my favorite oil, which is grapeseed oil, and my coconut oil. Today I'm going to mix up some coconut oil, and I will also add some Jamaican black castor oil because it works for my hair and it makes your hair grow. So I have that big container that I got from the Dollar Tree. So you can get that because at least it can contain all the mix. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the contents in one of the packets inside the container. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Open the pack and put the mix inside the container. It's so many good ingredients in this one pack. You have white turmeric, you have henna, you have amla, you have fenugreek seeds, you have curry leaves, black cumin, everything, even some hibiscus flowers, all the good things in one pack. So right now I'm going to add my oil. Since they said 8 ounces, I'm trying to measure. I think 8 ounces is 1 cup. So I'm adding all my oil, trying to measure it up. But I'll end up adding more, as you will see in the video, because I felt like 8 ounces was too little. I wanted more oil for my hair. So right now I'm adding the coconut oil, and trying to mix everything up before I put it in my container with the herbs. And please follow me on Instagram if you are not following me right now. Okay, so we have our 8 ounces of oil. I'm going to add it inside the container. And I'm going to make a mess, but it's fine. It was just a little bit that I spilled, but that's fine. So I add up the oil, and I feel like it doesn't cover the entire mix, so I'm going to add a little bit more. That's what I'm doing right now. So let's say I added another cup, so it's like 2 cups that I did, but they recommended only 1 cup. So after that, I'm going to mix everything, the oil and everything inside the container. That's what I'm doing right now. Mixing so that everything can be well combined and the oil can actually be filled with all the goodness of those herbs. So mix well. And they suggest that we shake it as well, that we shake it. So um, after I mix that all together with the oil, I'm going to close the container and try to shake it up before I keep it inside the cabinet for 48 hours as they suggested. They said you can use it after 48 hours, and actually you don't get rid of the herbs. You keep the oil in the herbs while using it so that you can keep having the goodness inside the oil. So don't strain, don't remove anything, just use the oil as is. So I'm shaking it right now. I'm shaking, 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 shaking. And also I would suggest that when you use the oil, you can use it for your scalp massages, or you can also use it to do your pre-poo. If you make enough, you can make a pre-poo with it. Or the last thing that I usually do with the oil is I use it to seal my moisture after I wash my hair. So that's it. It's going to stay there for 48 hours and that's it. I'll use it. Don't forget to like the video. I'll see you later. Bye.